Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh Chetri. Today in this video, we are going to talk about dictionary looping, and this time I will talk about the dictionary looping via all the keys. So the first one in the previous video, we have used the dictionary loop via all KB pairs. So if you haven't watched that, please go and watch that video, and that was used via the items method, if you remember. So this time we are not going to loop all through the keys and values. We are just going to loop through the keys. So this time we are using the keys method, that was instead of those items method, when we don't need to work with all the values, or instead of that key values pair, what we say part of the dictionary when we are making the dictionary. So we use a loop simply with dot cars. So the car is a dictionary over here with dot keys method, and then this for loop tells the Python that pulls all the keys from the dictionary, whatever the dictionary we have here. Our dictionary is the cars, and then assign one at a time to the variable name. So variable name, for the simplicity, our variable name is name over here. You can use any other name for that, and we just print it. We have used the title method over here. You already know we can use upper or lower if you want to do in the lower case, or if you want in the upper case. So this time the title case. So looping through the key is the default behavior when we loop through the dictionary. That means either the default behavior in the sense, either we use the keys method or we don't use the keys method. That is gonna be the same thing, because it's a default behavior. That means if we just use for name in cars, that will exactly work as for name in cars.keys. So we can use to choose the keys method explicitly, or we can omit it if we wish. So we will see the program implementation, how that exactly work. Before then that, we'll go through one more, that is dictionary looping through the keys, but in some particular order. So this time the order in the sense, first one we went through the KB pairs, the second one we went via keys only, but here the third one we will went through the keys, but that keys we will arrange in some particular order. That's why we say it's a dictionary looping, and it's a third one when it comes to dictionary loop. Python returns the item that is in the same order that were assigned. That means the same order that were inserted means is they were added in the same order as k1 v1, yeah, k2 v2 to value 2, as you will see in the example, and so on, key 3 value 3. But sometimes we may want to loop in a different order. That means we want to sort those keys and return via the sorted method. So here we have used the sorted method instead of the items method, or not instead. Here we have used the keys method. So on the top of the keys method, we will use the sorted methods. Make sure you remember. So here the only thing is we wrap the sorted method over the dictionary. The dictionary is car, and over the keys. So this for loop is like the same like the previous for loop, except we have wrapped the sorted method or the sorted function around the dictionary dot keys method. Okay, and we print as it is what we have done. So printed in the title case, and we will see exactly in the program implementation how that works. So this list all the keys in the dictionary. So whatever our dictionary is, the dictionary is the collection of the key values pair, and then sort that list before looping because of the sorted method. And then the looping is the same that we have done previously. I hope this was the theory section for the second and third one looping. So we'll go the fourth one looping in the next video. Before then that, we will quickly go and see the program implementation of second and third one via the keys, and via the keys in the particular order. Okay, the program is here. I was trying to zoom a little bit so that you can see exactly. We have a dictionary car like the key one and value one. So here are 4 pairs. So key value pairs, as you already know, the key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, key 3 value 3, and key 4 value 4. Then, as I said before, the second one, dictionary looping through all the keys. The only difference here is I have defined a function with a def keyword. If you haven't known about the def keyword, please go back and watch my previous video where you can define the function for making it simple and separate, and everything is same. We have used the name variable in cars.keys, and we just print the name in type. And let's see, before going to the third one, we'll try to run that and see over here. So I'm in the terminal, so I just type the Python. So I'm using the Visual Studio Code this time also, like the previous time, and the file name dictionary.py. So it will give the name in the title case, whatever the dictionary have, just print it in the title case. And the next time, what we are doing for the third one is we are trying to loop the dictionary in the order. So everything is same. We have defined a separate function for that, loops keys order, and the loop is same, like as you see exactly in the PPT. Goes from, for name in sorted, we are wrapped around the sorted function over car.keys, and we just print the title and we add some message. That is totally optional. You can add or you cannot add. So what I do is, inside I have made a main function over here and call the main over line number 21. So you can use the main, or you just can do the function call directly. But here, comment on that and try to call the another function, loop keys order, for the third one. Okay, so let me save that. Let me run again. So I type the clear command, clear the screen, and what I go back and type the same. The only difference you can see, you will find that in the sorted order, because we have applied the sorted. We start from Bob, Dan, Nick, and Taya in the alphabetical order. So keys over here. The keys is Bob. Dan, we have used .title, that gives out the title case, and Nick. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.